Hello everyone, this is Mainak from Civil Center and today we'll deal with a very important aspect. What is Tekla? What are its uses for civil engineers? Many people have doubt since it's comparatively new in the Asian market, in the Indian market. So we'll know what is Tekla, what are its uses for the civil engineers, why you should learn it, what are the software included. We'll discuss everything today. So let's get started. So first of all, we'll discuss what is Tekla. Now it's often confused that Tekla does this and Tekla does that. So to clear all of you, Tekla is a group of software, a family of software which are used for various purposes like structural analysis, structural design, detailing, project management, and various other purposes. So this software or this software group is produced by Trimble. We all know about Trimble. It's a US based company which produces the Tekla software. So now let's see what are the main softwares which are included in the Tekla. So the software include Tekla Structural Designer, Tekla Structures, Tekla TEDs and Tekla Power Fabs. All are written in order of their popularity. If I give a one line description of all this software, Tekla Structural Designer is used particularly for building structural analysis and design. Tekla Structures is used for detailing, structural detailing. The structural detailing can be of building, can be of any structure, can be steel, RCC, even bridges. It is also said that the famous Chenab bridge, which is built in J&K, Satluj River, is done, the detailing is done by the Tekla Structures. So Tekla TEDs. Tekla TEDs incorporates the US and the British codes for some manual calculations. The repetitive manual calculations you don't have to do, but it has only British and the US codes. Tekla Power Fab is used for steel fabrications. So steel fabricators use this Tekla Power Fab software. So now let's know about this most two popular software of the Tekla group, that is the Tekla Structural Designer and Tekla Structures, and what is the difference between them, and let's clear out all the differences and all the confusions in people's mind. So Tekla Structural Designer, let's know it first. It's used for building structural design. So there are a lot of software for building structural design which we used earlier like STAAD, ETABS. Now why this new software? What is its advantages? And why so many videos have been uploaded in Civil Center and various other sources on this Tekla, and why are people learning it? Why are there more and more jobs available in this software regarding to the skills of this software? So the answer is every human being loves being simple. They love simple things. So Tekla does complex things in the simple way. The modeling process is super simple. The load application process including the application of dead load, live load, earthquake load, wind load, load combinations as per any country codes is very easy, even for the steel structures as well as for the RCC structures. It even takes the self weight directly into consideration. So as you can see the model, it's a very user friendly model. You can rotate the model, you can see the model, you can do anything with the model. Another added benefit of this Tekla is that it provides economical foundation design. Now, different software like STAAD incorporates a different software like STAAD Foundation for the design of isolated footings, mat footings and pile caps, while Tekla does it in this software itself. So you don't have to open any other software like in ETABS you have to go for SAFE, or in STAAD you have to go for STAAD Foundation. So it incorporates this in this software itself, and overall it gives an economical and practical foundation design when it comes to mat footings, isolated footings and pile cap designs. The next is that it has a provision of slab design as per IS code. Now when you go by STAAD, it has slab design provisions as per Euro, British and US codes. So there in Tekla you will find a slab design provision by IS code also. And the next and the most important thing is that you can generate the structural drawings in STAAD, so which is not possible in many other software. So structural drawings like the footing layout, the foundation layout, the plain beam layout, column layout, including the column schedule, everything are generated in this Tekla Structural Design, which you obviously have to customize. So we got an overall idea of the Tekla Structural Designer. Let's know into the Tekla Structures. So we have got the building structural design. We have got the number of rods which will be present in the building. Now what is the use of this Tekla Structures? Tekla Structures is a structural detailing software. So to understand detailing, you can watch this video which is going side by side. As you can see in this video, you can see the reinforcement clearly visible of the slab as well as the beams. So in the detailing software, you can detail your connections. In the case of a steel structure, whether it be bolted, riveted, anything, you can design and you can visualize that. And in a detailing software also, the design results which you get in the Tekla Structural Designer can be imported or can be made manually here, and you can see actually how the software X-ray or how the building X-ray looks like, that is including the reinforcement. The earlier video which you had seen of the Tekla Structural Designer did not contain any reinforcement. Here you can see the reinforcement of the slab. So that's the difference between the Tekla Structures and the Tekla Structural Designer. In the Tekla Structures, you have to know the reinforcement, and then you can work in the Tekla Structural Designer. You can find out the reinforcement. That's the basic difference. The next is that it can generate 3D BIM model with reinforcement and steel connections, as you can see in this slide. The most important benefit of that software is that it can generate BBS or the bar bending schedule. So you can know the accurate quantity of steel along with the shapes in the form of a detailed, well-oriented sheet. And the next thing is that you can do project management or the activity management in this particular software. So now, having known about these two software, the most important question comes to your mind. If you are a beginner, which one should you learn first? Tekla Structures or Tekla Structural Designer? It's not that I've written two software in two different fonts. It doesn't mean that one has more importance or one is less. So I'll tell you directly, there are two different things. If you are a beginner and if you don't know in which field you want to go, you should learn the Tekla Structural Designer first. Case number two, if you have decided that you want to go in the structural detailing field, you are not interested in the structural design, you want to go for the detailing, then you can take your career in the Tekla Structures. You can learn the Tekla Structures software. And if you want to explore both the things, you want to become a consultant and you want to know more about both the things, then first you can learn Tekla Structural Designer and then you can learn the Tekla Structures. So like this, you can learn this two software which will be useful in your career as a civil engineer or as a structural designer or a structural detailer. So now comes the next question, which is very important. How to learn Tekla? So the answer is Civil Center. So we'll tell you why Civil Center. We have uploaded over 250 videos in this Tekla Structural Designer and Tekla Structures. So that shows the amount of base strength we have. And basically we are a consultancy company, so we can give you that practical experience as well. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or you are a consultant, we can give you the training and the experience which is required to get the best possible economical and safe design using this Tekla. So we'll tell you today about our courses on Tekla Structural Designer. So basically we have two types of courses. One is our live sessions and one is our recorded sessions. Live sessions is conducted in evening time, which is suitable for students as well as the consultants. And in that we take you through a complete live project. We don't only teach you the software. This price is not only for the software. This price is for the total training, which will be of 24 hours, that is 24 to 30 days it will take to complete that in the evening time, starting from the planning phase, client dealing phase, software, how to handle difficulties in the software, how to get an economical design out of it, not only just use the software but practically use the software to give the best results to your clients. All will be taught in this particular course, and this course is taught by me, Mr. Mainak, and also by engineer Sajal Verma. So you can also choose your trainer, whoever you are more preferable with. This training is done in English as well as Hindi language. So next, if you can't afford this or you don't have the time, or that you can come at a particular time like 8 to 9 p.m. regularly, then you can go for the recorded session. So what does the recorded session contain? The recorded session contains the same content, but there will be no interaction directly with the trainer. But you will have a WhatsApp group in which you can communicate with the trainer, and there are other students who have already availed, over 50 students who have already availed the recorded session, and they're available in each WhatsApp groups. We keep the sizes of the WhatsApp groups to 50 to 100 so that we can easily communicate with them. So this is a chance for your lifetime validity. The links of both these courses have been given in the description. You can check out those and you can avail those facilities. Now comes the next question. Those of you who can't afford it or who are not sure to go for it as at yet, so what is for them? You just go to our YouTube channel. If you're watching it for the first time, check out our playlist on the Tekla Structural Designer and Tekla Structures. There are over 250 videos till date, including the live sessions today. So you can check out those videos. You can learn the software if you're an experienced consultant, and if you are just want to learn the software, you can learn the software from there for free. So if you found this video useful and if you learned anything new today, please hit the like button because it helps the YouTube algorithm and it helps us to reach more and more people. So that's all for today. See you in the upcoming videos and stay connected with Civil Center. Bye bye.